You stole my coffee, right? Well, what did you do to my coffee? You drank it? And then? And then what did you do to my coffee? You didn't do that? Who did that? Let me show you what you did. What is this? What is this? What is this, Mommy? I know you know what you did because look at how you're looking. Who did that? Who did that to the coffee? Was it you? I know it was you.
Now some lawmakers are questioning how DMS is handling its own business after it came to light that 4 of the agency's high-ranking staff live outside of Florida and charge taxpayers.
You.